On September 13, 2023, Telegram announced the integration of a self-custody TON-based crypto wallet. The wallet TONSpace will be directly integrated into the messaging application to allow users to access financial services built on top of the TON network. With over 800 million people using the popular messaging application, Telegram hopes to scale the adoption of decentralized financial solutions while boosting the usage of its affiliated blockchain network, TON. Today we will look into the TON project, and you will learn the following. What TON is all about, the idea between TON and Telegram, how it works, what TONcoin is, and as I usually do, I will share my opinion about the potential of the project. This will be interesting, so watch till the end. First, let's look into what TON is. The Open Network TON is a decentralized Layer 1 smart contract network built for routine and specialized financial applications. It supports the creation of fungible and non-fungible tokens. Over 1 million NFTs have been minted on the network. TON is a proof-of-stake network with a focus on delivering a scalable network for financial activities and a medium for diverse users to interact over an immutable financial infrastructure. By adopting the POS consensus algorithm and an overall flexible design, the Open Network hopes to develop a blockchain network that can be used by billions of users without breaking down or losing significant efficiency. And lest I forget, TON recently switched from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake consensus in an attempt to adopt a more environmentally friendly consensus system. Furthermore, TON runs a virtual machine that manages the state of the network and allows external applications and contract accounts to communicate with the network. So, many people wonder about the relationship between TON and Telegram. Is it just another feature? Or is Telegram now built on blockchain? Stick with me, I have some answers. According to John Hyman, Telegram's chief investment officer, Telegram's mission has always been to enable freedom of speech, but speech is so much more in this digital age. We believe users have the right to own their identities and assets. With TONSpace, users now have the technology to make that convenient. With this announcement, we are putting digital ownership rights in the hands of our entire user base, while also giving TON projects the tools to reach our audience in the largest Web3 or Web2 integration there has ever been. So, the idea behind TON is to create a connection between the everyday internet user, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrency. This intention was clearly stated in the white paper published initially in January 2018 by Telegram co-founder Nikolai Durov. Nikolai Durov, along with his brother Pavel Durov, had created a successful messaging application and planned to leverage the application's success to introduce the masses to cryptocurrency. Well, this looks to me as a massive adoption from the Telegram community, and many might just follow in their footsteps. But not to rush into my opinion, let's take a look at how this works. You see, a blockchain network created for the purpose that is defined for TON must be flexible, fast, and cost-effective. TON's ability to appeal to millions of users depends on how easily they can use it and how much cost it saves them, compared to traditional financial facilities. Messaging applications are meant to be light as well, therefore, applications integrated into them should be able to work without significantly increasing the total demand on the device they operate on. TON developers also identified these factors and structured the network to achieve these. Therefore, TON has first a relatively lightweight consensus algorithm, then a scalability work through sharding and a virtual machine or TVM. Alright, so let's look into the TONcoin. TONcoin is the native and utility token of TON. It is used to pay fees for transactions performed on the network. The maximum supply is currently unknown, but the total supply is 5.1 billion, while the circulating supply is 3.4 billion, with a market capitalization of $19.7 billion US. To conclude this video, I will highlight my opinion about the project. For me, Telegram has done great with their Web2 platform for years, so I have faith in the founders. Adding blockchain to their building block is fascinating and highlights a potential high for more adoption and the success of the project. The Web3 community has found a great footing on Telegram, and most big blockchain projects are on Telegram because of its ease of use. So this is more like a cherry on the cake. Furthermore, the project has all the features of a project like Solana, and if they do the right marketing and community building for their project, then this might be one project that will go sun blazing for early buyers of the TONcoin and developers. But they are not the first to try this. Remember Facebook now called Meta? But hey, this not to take anything away from Ton. I think they have made more progress so far than Facebook did. Also, they have a better foundation for blockchain projects than Facebook. This is also a wake-up call for other similar projects like Discord and Twitter now called X. Although I don't think Twitter will build its own blockchain, but Discord should definitely consider this, as they have close relationship with the ideals of Telegram. However, I have a problem with the unknown maximum supply of Ton. Or is it going to be an infinite supply? This is still up for a debate. Guys, this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. Let me know what you guys think about Ton in the comment section, and share your opinion on whether Discord should go the same route.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.